Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chefs here. Before we begin today's video, I would like to share that my channel has now 201 subscribers. Thank you so much everyone for making this experience so nice for me. That means so much. Today's recipe is dim sum favorite, spare pork ribs steamed with black bean paste and garlic plus other stuff. I think that the hardest part about this recipe is actually getting the pork ribs that are chopped a certain way. But if you have Chinese or Asian grocery store near you, they should always have it. Now, even if you don't, do not think that you should stop. I would honestly go and try the same approach with just a pork loin or something. Just to give it a try, the flavor is still going to be there. The black fermented bean paste might be a little bit difficult to source, but it is becoming a lot more popular, and I think I have seen it in regular grocery store once or twice. So just keep an eye on it if you don't have one yet. Now, without further delay, let's get cooking. So let's go over everything that I will be using today. I put these two in the center because that's really all you need. Everything else in the background there is optional. We'll go over all of this. But really, the star of the show today is black bean paste. Mine has chili just because it's my preference. You can use just a regular black bean paste. Beautiful color, smells amazing. Cornstarch. I have 3 tablespoons here. May or may not use all of it. Garlic to taste, ginger, Shaoxing cooking wine, sesame oil. I will use white pepper, some light soy sauce, and dark soy sauce to enhance the color. The ribs. So you see how they're cut. This is like a very tip of the ribs. So what we'll do is we cut these, and when you cut ribs, don't cut right in the center. Yes, of course there's a lot of meat here, but just to maximize, cut against the bone. Let's see. Like this. Right against this bone. Nice and beautiful pieces. After you dealt with the raw meat, it's always a good idea to sanitize your work area. Kind of medium mince. You could have used garlic press if you'd like, but I prefer actual chunks of garlic. So here are the ribs. For measurement reference, I will use this tablespoon. Black bean paste already has plenty of salt. This is why we're only gonna use a little bit light soy sauce. Garlic with ginger. I'm interested in ginger juice, so I'm gonna use this garlic press, but best if you have like a plain grater. White pepper. I like a lot, probably at least a tablespoon. Shaoxing cooking wine. It will help to reduce gaminess of the meat. sesame oil, bean paste. Take like a heaping tablespoon and a half to begin with. Get some oil, dark soy sauce for the color, and now just mix. Beautiful color. Start going in with the cornstarch. The cornstarch will help the sauce to adhere to ribs, and also cornstarch is a great meat tenderizer. Do you see how on the bottom there's not much liquid? That's what cornstarch really did for us. It makes sure that it's all stuck to the meat. Now I'm just gonna cover this up, put it in the refrigerator. The longer the better, but I would say at least couple hours. See you in the future. By the magic of YouTube, 4 hours later, we have this. Give them a toss again. Now just let it sit here to come up to room temperature. My philosophy, if you already know, I don't like to cook meat when it's cold. Meanwhile, let's make some garnish. We will just need the green part. Go ahead and thinly slice. Grab some ice water, drop them in there, and by the time dish is done, these should curl up nicely. Got a bowl that will eventually go into a steamer. Let's just arrange some ribs here. Now on here I have a steamer capable dish. Really wish I could use this, the bamboo steamer, but I don't have a dish that would fit in there. Well, sometimes you can't have everything. Alright, it's getting ready to boil. Place the dish inside. Cover, and I'm gonna let this go. Alright, total time 30 minutes so far. Let's take a look. Oh, it smells amazing. So the texture we're looking for is absolutely correct. We're done. Well, it is now taste time. Test time. Taste time. Taste test time. That's what it is. Here they are. They smell absolutely great. I'm telling you. So there is no pretty way to eat this. You just take it, suck the meat off the bone, remove the bone, and keep going. That's what we'll do. Nice. There's still something left on the bone. Can't have that. Absolutely delicious. Mine has a little kick to it because of the chilies in the bean paste and the white pepper that I added. Well, as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Chinese New Year's around the corner, so I wish each and every one of you prosperity, good health to you and all of your family and your friends. All the best wishes, as always. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.